Now, Alphabet, the parent company of Google, saw its shares reach an all-time high on Thursday after announcing its latest results. Its core business, Google, is incredibly popular and profitable, but Alphabet has lots of smaller businesses, so-called moonshots, which are proving to be financially very risky. Andre-Pierre du Plessis takes a look at how long Alphabet can maintain its so-called other bets.
They call it moonshot thinking, to do the unthinkable, like going to the moon.
The fact that he said, we don't know how to do this yet, and we're gonna do it anyway.
Google's parent company Alphabet was so inspired by it that it has sunk nearly $1 billion into projects that try to change the course of history. They range from much criticized hardware like Google Glass to balloons that offer worldwide internet access. But over the last 3 months, the financial losses of Alphabet's moonshot business has ballooned from $660 million to $859 million. And it seems those losses will only continue to swell. For Google's founders, a fundamental part of the company is to push employees to experiment with technology, regardless of how unprofitable their ideas may be.
You know, obviously you're going to have failures. You're going to have the wrong idea. But it's important to fail quickly.
But some would argue Moonshot's projects aren't failing fast enough, and the company is refusing to cut projects that have run into regulatory trouble. Shareholders have questioned the company's push to have the first self-driving car on the road.
There's no steering wheel in the way.
But Alphabet maintains it isn't Tesla.
Our approach is quite different from most others. We're focused on fully autonomous cars because in early testing we saw the risk of depending on drivers to remain engaged once you give them the option to switch off. So we've invested a lot there. We're testing extensively based on this approach.
There is, however, an upside. In the last quarter, Alphabet's advertising business made a staggering $7 billion in profits, a 21% uptick from the previous years, which gives the company the freedom to carry on with its more futuristic projects. Andre-Pierre du Plessis, TRT World.